Yesterday, oil extended losses, though not as rapidly as the day before, and this time the asset came under pressure from the third Eurozone GDP growth estimate. The final estimate of the Eurozone economic growth for the fourth quarter of 2022 turned out to be worse than the previous two, indicating stagnation, that is, the zero growth. And these ones again raised fears that Europe could slide into recession and the energy demand could ease. In addition, the Fed's intention to keep monetary policy tight increases the risk of a downturn in the US economy. This, in turn, could reduce energy demand in the world's largest economy. Even OPEC Secretary General Haitham Ghais said a slowdown in oil demand in Europe and the United States could threaten the global market. Against this background, the oil market slipped into oversold territory, and this paves the way for a potential rebound. Thus, oil prices may resume their bullish run as early as today. Yesterday, Brent crude oil prices lost about 5%, coming back to the levels posted at the beginning of the last week. If the price fixes below $82, it will probably hit toward the level of 80. However, given that the asset is oversold in the short time frames, the benchmark may well pull back upwards, provided that the price consolidates above the $82 mark. Like the currency market, gold prices were largely unchanged yesterday after Tuesday's collapse caused by hawkish remarks by the head of the Fed. Today, the asset is likely to keep following the US dollar. Given that the greenback is overbought and the gold is oversold, there is a high likelihood that the yellow metal will see a local rebound or even gain strong upside momentum. As usual, the Russian currency remained unaffected by what was happening in the global currency market. The ruble has been trading at around 75 rubles per dollar for more than 2 weeks now, and thus it's becoming increasingly obvious that market participants are awaiting the upcoming Bank of Russia Board of Directors meeting to be held next week. Until then, the ruble will most likely continue drifting around the current levels. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to the channel and follow news with us. See you soon.